Hi guys, microneedling. Are you sometimes wondering how effective your microneedling treatment really is? Are you really reducing the wrinkles of your clients as much as you should? And one of the big discussions is the number of needles that should be on the plate. The numbers of needles inside the needle cartridges. While some very cheap devices, this one we bought for €100 at Amazon, have 36 needles or over 20 needles, we only work with 6 needles. And today I will tell you why it's better to have 6 needles. Our device is fully engineered and made in Germany, and I'm going to show you the difference right now. Let's start with the cheap €100 Amazon machine, which by the way, in a different branding, is sold to estheticians for a much higher price by some training centers. But this in fact is a €100 device. Okay, let's adjust the needle depth. And now I'm going to work for about 5 seconds on this little paper, which is attached to a practice pad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do the same with our machine. Let's look at the difference. This one, we hardly see any penetrations. The light does not shine through the paper. And this is the penetrations with our machines. You can clearly see that there's a lot of penetrations. If you say the penetrations are not enough, I give you a little calculations. There are 6 needles on the needle plate, and we have 150 penetrations per second into the skin of the plate. That means, I've made the calculation, 6 times 150, so that is 900 penetrations per second, which makes 54,000 penetrations per minute, or during a procedure time of, let's say, half an hour, there will be 1.6 million penetrations of the needles in your skin. This is sufficient. The problem is, if you have too many needles as they have, they don't penetrate. Why? It's called the Fakir-effect. Too many needles put too much pressure on the skin, they push away the skin instead of penetration. But for effective treatment, for wrinkle reduction, you need penetration. You need the needle penetration and not just the scratching on the surface, which maybe causes some bleeding, but causes some hooking of the needle on the skin, causes some pain, but doesn't give you the effect. So if you want a high effect, with low trauma, with low pain, it's good to choose a high quality device. Thank you.